Today is the day I have been waiting to get over with. A funny way to start a video. Not on the most optimistic note. As you can tell by the title of the video, I do have I keep calling them finals, 3 midterms today, and I'm trying to vlog it too, which may be a regret, but hopefully you guys just come watch me study for like a whole day. Also, I don't know when the floor became my official like intro spot. Representation. I'm a floor person. Anyway, it's about 10 a.m. right now. Honestly, I say this all the time, but my classes start at noon and I will sleep in if I can. But of course we have finals today, so I made plans with Grace to study in the morning. Yeah, both of us up and studying, so I'm gonna go meet her and it's just gonna be a nice way to start the day. Also, I've been seeing these like TikToks of people who host little coffee shops at their house. Now, I don't have a real espresso machine, just have a cute little Nespresso, but it's actually my dream for once I have my own apartment and place. Like, I want to host bake stuff, give people like handcrafted coffee. And we're trying to begin living that dream out right now. So let's go make some coffee too. Okay, great.
I brought cake pop.
Tackle the day. Hello friends in my traffic mirror. This is my outfit for today that you can't see because I'm wearing so much black. I felt like dressing a little bit more formal. Call me crazy, but sometimes I feel like when I'm dressed up a little more, I'm more composed, and for some reason I think I'll do better on my test. Plus I have a presentation, so I feel like that makes sense. This is the outfit and it's really nice out now, but it was raining, so whenever it rains I have to wear these boots basically. Matches the fit. And we're off to class and our first exam. Hi friends, so I just wanted to give you a little update. Just finished my first exam. Went okay. It was for French, which is always like so hit or miss. But I have like an hour where I usually eat lunch before my next class, which is organizational behavior, so it's kind of like business psych, and I have a midterm in that class too. I forgot if I even explained this, but basically this entire day is where all my midterms slash like projects are crammed, which is really annoying, but it's okay, we're getting through it. And I also decided to film all of it, so hopefully this inspires you depending on how my tests go. Anyways, I finished my first one. I have an hour in between when I usually eat, but I packed a lunch and I'm just gonna go straight to the library after I talk to you guys a bit and try to cram study. And I swear I'm not a crammer. Usually it doesn't work for me, but I'm kind of left to no resort because this is probably the worst I procrastinated. But I'm gonna go study. My French one felt like okay. It was kind of short. My first 2 French classes I took with a different professor, so I feel like I'm still getting used to her test style, even though I already took one by her. Anyways, I can never tell how I do on French exams. I feel like other things I usually have a better gauge, but I'm also the type of person who doesn't want to say I think I did well and then jinx it and then do really bad and be humble. Like, I'd rather just expect low and then do better than I thought, if that made sense. It's really nice to come outside. It was actually pouring this morning and I woke up to the most freezing house ever. Like, I had to put winter fuzzy socks on in the middle of the night because I was freezing. Anyways, sitting outside taking a breather, and then I'm gonna go study again. Guys, also be proud. Packed a lunch. I've been a bagel girl, but look how packed my bag is. I have like a 15-minute walk to class and I genuinely thought my arm was gonna fall off, but these bags hold so much. Like, I don't think it's gonna break, but I still have so much crap. Like, I have a full hydro and I have a kombucha that's definitely gonna explode on me. I have this bag that has all of my chargers. So much going on here, so much. This is gonna be a mistake, but I'm a little too confident. But you can see, oh gosh. And I want to drink it now before it gets too warm. It was actually not bad at all. But I was actually so stupid because I put this in my bag and my bag shakes so much when I carry it. I'm not gentle with it at all. So I'm actually surprised this didn't explode on me. Oh my gosh, it's so fizzy. Okay, now time to go study. Just got back from my very long day. I'm so tired that I'm drinking another coffee, which surprisingly made too sweet, which I swear has never happened in like my entire lifetime because I have the hugest sweet tooth, but I just put a lot of sugar in here because I need sugar and caffeine right now. I just hiked back up the hill for my 3 classes, my 3 midterms today, and I am so pooped. I just want to bake and watch TV. This is bad, but I've been watching a lot of reality TV with Alex and it's just very entertaining and I look forward to it. I look forward to the same 3 things. It's literally like TV, coffee, and baking. But this past class, it's like a capstone class for business and it's called Service Leadership. It's a really cool concept. You're partnered with a nonprofit organization and like you're in a team or a group and you just market, strategize, do whatever they need to help them. And honestly, it's really awesome. It's hands-on experience. It's really cool to work with a nonprofit personally in this close because I've never gotten to do that before. The class is a lot of work and it wasn't our midterm today, but we rotate in teams. We have these like facilitation, so it's not exactly a presentation. This one was 45 minutes. It was like almost a full class period of us like standing at the front of the class and like speaking and conversing and like basically leading conversation, which is hard when everyone is so burnt out and tired from school and everyone's taking their midterms. I'm just tired. And it's weird because like I can talk to a camera okay, and I like talking to a camera, but I dread public speaking. I dread speaking in front of a class so much. I can't even raise my hand without my heart beating super hard. So that whole class period I was just like anxious. Honestly, my test today did not feel great. A terrible feeling when you like study and work hard for stuff and it just like feels like it didn't pay off. But I guess I have to wait till my grades. I shouldn't jump to conclusions, but it doesn't matter. Right now I'm just relieved that it's all done and that I can finally breathe. But I guess what can you expect when you have like 3 midterms in a day? The rest of this day I still have school and work to do, but definitely less pressure. And I have a little reward to come home to. I got this email notification while I was studying in between classes and I was like, yes, this is what I'm gonna look forward to the rest of this day. Okay, so I lied. It's actually 2 things. I had this little like moment where I was, I don't know, sometimes I use Amazon like it's a social media app. Like I'd be scrolling there for way too long on the For You page. I had this little like glassware moment where I was just like, oh my gosh. And I've been like holding this off. I'm like, no thrifting more glassware, no more buying stuff because I don't need it while I'm in college. Like wait till I get an apartment or something, like a stable apartment. So I'm just moving all my cups around because I keep buying stupid mason jars. Anyways, it didn't really last because I ended up buying this guy, which I don't regret. I think it's adorable, although it fits in absolutely no cup holders, but it's so cute. I love it. But on top of that, I got this other one. I definitely saw this on TikTok and this is the one that I was going onto the app for. I got sidetracked by the strawberry one and like I had to get it. Boy, oh boy, have I been looking forward to opening these little goodies. Ooh, oh my gosh. It's so cute. Comes with a matching glass straw. Oh my gosh, it's so many. Also has a little like cap so you don't have to use the straw to speed things up. The sun is far gone, but this, oh my, package. I'm so excited and I'm so happy because I'm going on a trip in like 2 days and I just wanted this to come in time. So if you couldn't tell, this is from Baguette. I got 3 things. First off, this is with their new like cherry print. I got this puffy laptop sleeve, which is good because as I mentioned earlier, I think I bang my laptop around so much it's disgusting. Okay, like look at this, guys. The fruit theme is on par. The next thing I got is this set of different like pouches. Oh my gosh, it's also fruit themed. I love it. It has lemons, cherries, and raspberries. My whole like idea for this, I think I'm gonna use this for traveling, but I just wanted different pouches for inside my school bags. Having like separate pouches to organize my cords and my pens and all the other stuff that's flying around my bag. And this is the last thing. Oh my gosh. This is the Baguette medium crescent and I have been eyeing this for so long. I've been wanting the black one and it's always out of stock. I'm so excited for this because it's like a bigger size bag, so I think it'll be great for traveling, but I also think it'll be really helpful. I want to bring like a book and my iPad around. The lighting just got disgusting. Okay, now I'm backlit. It's pretty big. I think it's really good because you could use it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody, which is so weird that crossbodies are coming back in. I definitely had a Camp Rock shoulder crossbody school backpack in elementary school, but I love this. I'm so excited to start using it. And so that's my cute little Baguette haul and cup haul. Now that I'm finally done with all my tests, I'm gonna like relax. My goal today is to figure out like everything that I need to do so I can have like a condensed list of all my homework during spring break because I think I will have work. Other than that, I want to crochet. I want to watch TV. I just want to sit and breathe and not think about school for a second. So that's the plan. Hi friends, it is 10. Alex and I are on a pretty wonky eating schedule. We'll study and eat late at night. So we actually just finished dinner and we made the poor decision to go get boba right now when there are a couple things going against us. So first off, there is a weather advisory because it's supposed to flood in Southern California again. I don't know, this year's been crazy. Apparently it's snowing in other parts of California, which, you know, it doesn't happen a lot. Also, the second thing, the more important thing maybe, is that Alex has the paper that is actually due very, very soon. When's it due, Alex?
6 p.m. tomorrow. So it's not even that soon. I have time.
This is just like one of the main differences in us to the core is that like I stress out so much about my schoolwork. I'm just a very deadline oriented person and I think YouTube has a lot to do with that. Getting this guy over here.
So stressed all the time.
I am stressed all the time. He is quite the opposite.
Can we tell them about? Sure. So like a couple nights ago we were over her place and like a fire truck drove by. We don't really know what's going on, and then there's some cops. They have flashlights and it is creepy. They have like flashlights and they're for whatever reason flashing their lights at all the houses like nearby, and then she's freaking out. She's like, Alex, what do we do? Alex, we gotta get out of here. We need to leave. I'm like, where are you gonna go? Like, the cops are just gonna see you run out of your house and like run in the streets or something.
I just have fight or flight instincts. Weird lighting. Made the mistake of trying to go to a boba shop that was closed, so we ended up driving another 20 minutes to go to another boba shop, and now we are out here far from school. It is raining. Alex still has paper due, but we got our boba, and this is gonna be the end of the video as well. Thank you guys so much for joining us today, and I'll see you in the next video. We have a fun one to come. Bye guys.
Bye.